The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 6:15 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., an area of strong southeast winds was located behind an area of showers along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of McHenry to 11 nautical miles west of Elgin to 19 nautical miles west of Joliet, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Lake Michigan water temperatures.